Yesterday we wrote an email to our friend Ella, but we didn't have enough time to share that. So this class, let's share some of your emails first. Okay? Please turn to page 41. Sharon, can you please share your email with us? Guys, listen.
Thank you for your email. Your school sounds fun. I would like to tell you about my school. There are many interesting places here. There are sports field and library. My favorite place is library. It's big and clean. I love it because it has many kinds of books. I love to read books here.
Okay, thank you. So everyone, where is her favorite place? But did you see any mistake there? My favorite place is library. The library. Yes, that's a countable noun. Then what about 吕瑞杰? Now eyes on the board. In this email, we can see something like this. Your school sounds fun. What does sounds fun mean? Can you give me another word for fun? Great. Anything else? Yeah? What about a word starts with I? Interesting. Pay attention to the stress. After me, interesting. Interesting. So where is the stress? First syllable or second syllable? Interesting. First syllable. Yes. And he said, bye for now. What is bye for now? Yeah, it's like bye, right? So that is our email. And yesterday we also learned something about Peter's email. Remember? So now can you please compare Peter's email with this email here? Remember the word compare? What does that mean? 比较. Yes. Compare two emails here and then tell me what is the difference. You can talk with each other. Please stop here. 郑主委 anything you can share? Can you try to speak English?
I think Peter's email is fun because it describes three buildings, three kind of buildings. But in our email, there is one building. There is one building's introduction.
Okay, thank you. Yes, that's correct. What about Hu Yang?
For the salutation, Peter's email says, "Hi, Flora." But for my email, I say, "Dear somebody." For the signature, Peter says, "Yours, Peter." But for me, I write bye for now, then add the name.
Okay, so the salutation and signature are different. Anything else? Chen Zhenxi?
I think Peter's body part has five paragraphs, but ours only one paragraph.
Do we have 5 paragraphs for Peter's email? Yeah, just the body part. So it should be 3 paragraphs. Yes, thank you, but that's really longer than ours. Yes, please?
Peter's email has 3 pictures, but we don't have any picture.
Yeah, that counts. Anything else? But do you still remember yesterday on the board, I wrote some words, right? I told you for each place in Peter's email, he talks about 4 parts. First one is the name of that building. What is the second one? The second one. Where it is. So it's the position. Yes, and the third part? What they can do there. The fourth one? His comment. Good. So when you're giving comments, what kind of words can you use? Adjectives. Yeah, so you see in Peter's email, he talks about a lot of different things for even one building, right? So guys, if you're taking an exam, which one are you going to write? The longer one or the shorter one? Oh, really? If you're taking an exam, you need to have high score, right? Which one are you going to write? Yeah, the longer one, because if you have longer ones and also you have different parts, you have your salutation, introduction, body part, and your ending, then the teacher will say, oh, you know a lot about your school and you can introduce it well, right? So this class, let's try to learn something from Peter and make our emails better. So to write a better email, we need to have a good structure and a clear outline. You already know the word structure, right? What does that mean? Yeah. And we also need to have a good outline. Outline, 提纲. Write it down first. So in the past few weeks, we made an outline for each unit, right? For example, this one, have a look here. This is the outline we made for Unit 2. You and me, we made it together. But in this class, I want you to make the outline by yourself. So now, 4 of you, please work in a group. Talk about your ideas and make an outline together. You need to write it down on a piece of paper. And later, one of you needs to come here to show us your outline on the screen and then talk about it. Clear? Yeah. Let me check if you really understand. So how many of you are going to be in one group? 4. What are you going to talk about? The outline of what?
Email.
Yes, of your emails. Do you need to write it down?
Yes.
Yes. And later, when you come here, one of you will come here. When you come here, what will you do?
Show
Show it on the screen and then talk about it. Yes, so now everyone, please work in a group. You have 12 minutes. Go. Just now I saw a lot of very good outlines. You did a really good job, everyone. You worked together and you wrote it beautifully. Because we don't have enough time, so we will only invite 3 groups to share something about their outlines. Okay? So the first one here.
That is our outline, and I make it to 5 parts. The first, that is salutation, to write dear somebody or hi somebody. The somebody's name is the person you want to write the email to. And the introduction, that is to write something that what do you think about your school? The introduction about your school, about some position, your school's name, or your all in mind. And the third part, that is the body. You can write the buildings, such as the classroom building, the teacher's building, art building, or the dining hall, such as that thing. And you can write position, and you can also write how can you get to there, and what's this building like, and what can you do there. For example, the classroom building, you can have class in it, and the dining hall, you can have lunch or dinner in it. And pay attention to, you better to write 3 kinds of building, and you can add first, that is what building, second, that is what, and the third. For the fourth part, that is in, try to ask questions like what's your school like, or what do you think of our school, and you can repeat that. How do you think? I write this wrong. Think of your school, and that is repeat and repeat. That is to let your school to look very nice. And the fifth, that is the signature. Try to use yours, somebody, that is your name. And that's all. Thank you.